For each delivery, we put together a great seasonal selection of local organic produce and deliver it directly to your doorstep. But if you would like to tinker with your box, it only takes a few minutes. Here's how simple it is. In just a few clicks, you can easily get more of what you want, add spring onions for a recipe, and stock up on strawberries because you love them. Feel blah about beets? Replace them with heirloom tomatoes. Our farm loves to grow them. After picking your produce, you can also add artisan farm products like olive oil, specialty honey, and farm fresh eggs.
Mom, we're out of carrots.
Okay, I got it.
Don't forget the carrots, Dad.
As part of our family farm, we want you to get the fruits and vegetables that you and your family want. Thank you for supporting local farms and putting your money back into the community and your local food system.